Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar XF key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell and a small flathead screwdriver. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, which will help prevent losing any small parts during the process. Being prepared makes the battery replacement quick and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, paying attention to which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery and then insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure it is placed in the same orientation. Press down firmly to ensure it is securely seated in its compartment. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely closed. Before you finish, test the key fob's functionality with your Jaguar XF to confirm everything is working correctly. Also, if you enjoy reading on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.